cat. So we are headed over to the coastal road, and we're going to film some of that, show you around. I have not seen the coastal road in person in like 2.5 years. And so we're going to get to see how it changed. Maybe I'll put some of the first video when I took the kids over here and flew the drone. So yeah, let's go check it out. Let's go to the coastal road. Let's go. Okay, so we're getting close to the coastal road. So during today they work on the road and you're not allowed to go there, but after what, 3 o'clock? After like 3 o'clock you're allowed to visit and walk on the coastal road. They're not letting like vehicles. But yeah, we can check this place out. Oh wow, there is a view of the mountains from here. All right, so here we go. Hello. Alright, so behind me is a beautiful view of the mountains, which I don't know what mountains those are. What mountains are those? You know? Is that Mount? Okay, so it's Mount Apo. that? It's not deep at all. How were they jumping into that? It's not deep at all. Huh?
No, the water will go up.
I see.
So that's why it's easy for them to jump.
Di mo makaabot, di mo mga dito nila. Ay, gali! Undo ka!
How far do you want to go?